Can you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Lovelyn Madelo, 37 years old, married. I have 4 children, 3 daughters, and 1 son. I have work experience here in the Philippines as a domestic helper for 2 years. My main duties are cooking, cleaning the house, wash clothes, and taking care of the babies. I want to work Hong Kong to earn money and to help my family. My good employers, if I be selected, I will promise to do my duties and responsibilities. I promise to finish my 2 years contract and follow your rules and regulation.
Okay.
Thank you.
So basically, you work only in Davao City last 2017 to 2019.
Yes. Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you take care any kids?
Yes, ma'am.
How many kids you take care?
Two.
2 kids. How old are they?
2 years old and 6.
2 years old and 6 years old. Is it a boy or a girl?
Boy and girl, ma'am.
I can see it in your CV that there is an elderly care 60 years old. Do you need special care? This
Yes.
elderly need special care or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, how? Bedridden or anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Bedridden na. You also take care of pet.
Yes, ma'am. Two pets.
What are they?
The dog, ma'am.
Dog. Okay, dog. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to earn money and to help my family.
Okay. You want to earn money and help your family. How long do you plan to work in Hong Kong?
2 years above.
2 years and above. Like until employer want you, then you still continue to work, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who will take care of your kid when you go to Hong Kong?
My husband and my eldest daughter.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.